Hi, today I will be making an apple pie. The first step is to make the pie filling. For this we will need 6 apples cut into small pieces. We also need 1.5 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water. Now I will combine all these ingredients and cook them until the apples are soft and all the water is absorbed. If you would like, you can also add some walnuts. The next step is to make the crust. We have 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 sticks of butter melted, and 2 eggs. Now we are going to combine all the ingredients. Keep folding until all the ingredients are well combined. Now we will split the crust in half. We have here a 10.5-inch springform pan. I added the parchment paper at the bottom so it is easier to remove the pie from the pan. You will also need to butter the sides of the pan. Now we will take half of the crust and spread it evenly at the bottom of the pan. Afterwards, we will add the apple in the middle and the remaining crust on top. The next step is to prepare the top layer of the crust. The best way to do this is to cut a parchment paper the size of the pan and roll the remaining crust until it takes the shape of the parchment paper. At the end, we will flip it over. Just said the apples are now ready. They have absorbed all the water and they are soft. The next step is to spread the apples so they cover the entire crust with an even layer. Now we will add the top layer. Once you have placed the top layer, remove the parchment paper. Now it is ready to go to the oven. Preheat the oven in convection to 360 Fahrenheit. The apple pie is now ready and we will transfer it to a plate. After the apple pie has cooled down, sprinkle some powdered sugar on top.